Inspire Kids Montessori's primary program is carefully structured in a 3-year cycle with students 3 to 6 years of age. The program offers a self-paced and individualized-based curriculum. There are 7 different subject areas for the students to learn from, including practical life, sensorial, language, math, science, geography, and music and movement in a culture-rich environment. Inspire Kids Montessori's outstanding curriculum is designed to nurture students' love of learning.
I can count to 23 in Spanish.
And we do our spelling test every Wednesday.
My favorite activity is multiplication bead bars. I love coming to school.
By the end of the 3-year cycle, our graduating kindergarten students will exceed first grade standards. Your child will love to learn at Inspire Kids Montessori. We are excited to invite him or her in for a discovery experience with us. Contact us today to make your appointment.